Once in a small village, there lived a young tailor named Adeel. He wasn't rich, and he wasn't strong, but he was clever. One morning, as he stitched clothes in his little shop, a swarm of flies landed on his jam-covered bread. Annoyed, Adeel swatted them with a cloth. When he looked down, he saw 7 flies, all in one strike. Proud of himself, he stitched a belt that read 7 at one blow. Feeling like a hero, Adeel packed his scissors and set off into the world to find adventure. Soon, he came across a giant sitting under a tree. The giant saw the words on Adeel's belt and thought he must be a mighty warrior. To test him, the giant crushed a stone until water dripped out. Adeel pulled out a piece of cheese and squeezed it, water came out too. Then the giant threw a stone into the sky. "Beat that," he said. Adeel released a bird, and it flew away, never to return. The giant was stunned. That night, the giant invited Adeel to sleep in a cave full of other giants. But Adeel was smart, he placed a pillow in his bed and hid nearby. Later, a giant tried to crush him in his sleep. But the pillow took the blow, and Adeel was safe. In the morning, he smiled as if nothing happened. The giants were so frightened they let him go. Word of Adeel's bravery spread far and wide, reaching the king's palace. The king offered him gold and honor, but only if he could defeat 2 wild giants and a dangerous unicorn in the forest. Adeel accepted. Using clever tricks, he made the giants fight each other until they were gone. Then he trapped the unicorn between 2 trees, using only his mind, not muscles. The king was amazed. He rewarded Adeel with treasure, and even offered his daughter's hand in marriage. And so, the little tailor, who once killed 7 flies, became a true hero, not because he was the strongest, but because he was the smartest and bravest of them.